Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing materials and a focused workspace. Lay out a cardboard tube, foam board base, wooden skewer, and a low-heat glue gun. This keeps things safe. Once ready, cut a small slot in the tube end to accept a skewer and test fit with a wrapped lollipop to confirm diameter. Make sure to keep fingers away from the glue tip. Steady, deliberate cuts reduce mistakes and keep the structure aligned as you progress to building the base. Next, mount the tube upright on the foam board. A right-angle alignment ensures smooth feeding. Insert the wooden skewer through the slot to act as a spacing peg and glue the skewer lightly so it can hold but not bind the candy. Once set, fashion a small cardstock tab that catches one lollipop at a time. Glue the tab on a hinge point so you can flick it down to release a single candy. This approach controls flow without any launching force. To finish, run several tests and observe how candies feed. Small tweaks matter. If a jam happens, widen the slot by 1 to 2 millimeters or lightly sand the skewer so sticks slide past without catching. Make sure the release tab catches one lollipop and drops cleanly. If not, adjust hinge tension. Finally, decorate the dispenser for presentation and always supervise use around children and never attempt to propel candy. This is a passive dispenser for safe, controlled servings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.